What is up guys, GreyMaker14 here, and today I'll be showing you how to download School Days HQ for free. Okay guys, let's jump right into the video. First, the only way I know to download this, that it's working, is through uTorrent. The file is only 12.25 gig. Alright, so I've already downloaded the file, so this game has no installation. You should get this file when you finish extracting the ISO files. You don't have to install the game, just go to Overflow, School Days HQ, and School Days HQ.exe. As you can see guys, this game is fully working. I've already completed the game. Let me show you some proof that this game is working. See guys, alright guys, that's all for this video. See you next time.